We've travelled to Bingley to Don Whitley Scientific, and I'm joined by Paul. Now, Paul, you've introduced and implemented a lot of your products within this facility. Can you give us an overview of what products are being used?
Yeah, I mean, it started off with hand tools, storage equipment, a great 5S project, which encompassed the whole thing. And it then transpired into the machine shop. And in the machine shop, we've had some great success with products as well. And so much so that we've implemented now a vending machine in here as well. So it's a great platform for our customers, if you like, to come and see a fantastic forward-thinking company really utilising 5S as it should be, and purchasing quality products and using them in the right way.
Now, they're manufacturing their own product, which is a luxury. What kind of cutting tools are you supplying, if we start there?
So it's a range solid carbide drills, mills, end mills, also indexable milling. It's a real wide range of products. The typical materials in this machine shop are aluminiums, stainless steels, acrylics, plastics.
And you've also got the tool cars that are portable and flexible, which hold all the tools that the operators need. What kind of efficiency gains have they seen from implementing this product?
Well, the gains of roughly around about 15 to 20% of efficiency. It's just been a major benefit that's come about as a result of it being more organised and more structured. And I think the working environment for people in this company has been also driven up as well as a result of the workstations. And
now, you mentioned the vending solution that you've also put into Don Whitley Scientific. Now, again, what kind of benefits have they seen since it's been introduced?
Well, I think they've streamlined their organisation inside the machine shop by having everything in one place, not having to search around anymore. It's organised themselves vastly. They've been able to link products together. So, for instance, if you have a face mill, you want to know where the screws are, where all the spare parts for that product are, and they're all linked inside the vending machine. So you go to the specific insert that you might want to take out, it'll have a link there that you can see, well, there's the spare screws for that. Oh yeah, I need some spare screws. And you don't have to search anymore. You can go straight to the machine, you know where everything is.
So from a technology perspective and a digitalisation perspective, how does it work? How can you kind of gather data from this product? I mean, it's not just a vending machine, it's a lot more than that, isn't it?
It is. I mean, you can obviously interrogate the system with various reports, whether it be usage of or an inventory, so you know how much product, how much of your money is tied up in tooling in that machine. You can get that at a press of a button. You can also interrogate down to say, well, who's using what tools. So if you have high usage, all of a sudden a spike in your usage of a product, you can identify that very quickly and react to it. So all those are real benefits that the machine gives to you.
Now, Hoffmann, you're not just selling products and walking away, you're also working on projects alongside your clients and trying to get the best efficiency gains and reducing cycle times. Now, how important is this to your business?
Oh, it's vastly important. We're not the cheapest company on the planet with regard to product. What we supply is very, very high quality, high performance. We are at the top of the tree with regard to performance. So in that respect, you've got to sell it on that basis. You can't, we're not price driven in that respect. So it's got to produce parts, it's got to do it in the best efficiency and give you the best productivity gains. So that's the market that we're in. And that's so we have to prove that to our customers. We don't win business purely based on buying a product. It is specifying the tools, applying the tools, and then reaping the rewards at the end of it for the customers and us.